I asked ChatGPT what are the 5 best techniques for improving spoken English, and I got this response that says active listening, regular speaking, shadowing, feedback and error correction, and building vocabulary through context. In today's video, I will share an interesting activity with you that will cover all these 5 points. Now I should tell you how it works. First, I will start with simple sentence and then I will keep increasing its length and difficulty level at every step till next 4 steps. Now what you have to do? Either you can speak with me or you can pause the video and repeat the statement. And we call this activity shadowing. Now you must be wondering, why did I choose this particular activity? I chose this particular activity because it will help you to deal with many problems you might face while learning spoken English. For example, enhancing your listening skills. Second, sentence construction. Third will be vocabulary in context. Fourth, problems like pronunciation, intonation, all these type of problems. Fifth, building fluency. By covering all these problems, you will be able to speak naturally and confidently in English. So let's get started. So in this video, I will share 4 short stories and each story will have 4 levels. So let's start with first story. Step 1 and level 1. My friend posted her picture on Instagram. Either you can speak this sentence with me or you can pause this video and repeat after that. Like many of us do, whenever we get a good picture clicked, we tend to share on our social media platform. Likewise, our friends also do share these pictures. So that story is in the same context. So step 1 and level 1 is my friend posted her picture on Instagram. Now step 2 or level 2, my friend posted her picture on Instagram and it got 1000 likes in 10 minutes. I am sure that picture must be really good. So that is why it got that much likes. Again the same deal, you can repeat after that and try to speak out loud. Now step 3, my friend posted her picture on Instagram. It got 1000 likes in 10 minutes and her best friend commented, you look stunning. Yeah, Instagram has this feature of commenting on the pictures or videos. So her best friend might have commented on that. Now level 4. My best friend posted her picture on Instagram. It got 1000 likes in 10 minutes. Her best friend commented, you look stunning. The next day, a brand messaged her for their promotion. This is what happens when you have good number of followers on your Instagram. Many brand approaches you for the promotion of their brands. So likewise, she might have gotten some brand collaboration or promotion based on that picture. So this was one story. I will repeat the complete story for your understanding. The story is, my friend posted her picture on Instagram and it got 1000 likes in 10 minutes. Her best friend commented, you look stunning. The next day, a brand messaged her for their promotion. Now you can repeat the same story for your practice. Now let's start with second story. In second story, level 1 is, a woman saw an old man carrying bags. Again same deal, you can repeat the sentence with me or you can speak after pausing this video. Now level 2 of the same story, a woman saw an old man carrying bags. She offered to help him. She must be very kind to help the person. And level 3 of this story, a woman saw an old man carrying bags. She offered to help him and took one of the bags. Level 4 for this story will be, a woman saw an old man carrying bags. She offered to help him and took one of the bags. Together they walked to his home. Wow, This is a very good story. This is a story of a kind woman who helped an old man to carry his bags. So what you can do again, you can compile this story and repeat in fragmented parts. The final story will be, so I will combine all these steps. The final story will be, a woman saw an old man carrying bags. She offered to help him and took one of the bags. Together they walked to his home. You can repeat second story also for your practice. Now let's move on to third story. In third story, level 1 is, a busy man neglected his health. A busy man neglected his health. Like many of us do, when we get busy or occupied with a lot of responsibilities, we forget to take care of ourselves and our health. So this story is in the same context. So level 1 or step 1 is, a busy man neglected his health. Level 2 will be, a busy man neglected his health, thinking work has more important. He was giving more importance to work at that time, so he forgot to take care of his own health. Third step will be, a busy man neglected his health, thinking work has more important, until he became very sick. It is possible when we don't take care of our health regularly, we get into this situation. We might fall, we start having physical health issues, we start having health issues. So likewise, this man also realized after falling sick. Now final step would be, a busy man neglected his health, thinking work was more important, until he became very sick. He learned that health is the foundation for a fulfilling life. This person realized the importance of health after falling sick. Otherwise, before that he was giving importance to his work. Now what you can do again? Now I will compile this story so that you can practice all together. The story is, a busy man neglected his health, thinking work was more important, until he became very sick. He learned that health is the foundation of fulfilling life. So this was the third story. Now we have fourth and final story. For that, level 1 or step 1 is, a man always delayed his dreams. Again, you can repeat the same line with me or after pausing this video. A man always delayed his dreams. Level 2 will be, a man always delayed his dreams, saying he would pursue them someday. This is what many of us do. We keep procrastinating our task, our dreams or our work. So likewise, this particular man also did the same thing. A man always delayed his dream, saying he would pursue them someday. Step 3 would be, a man always delayed his dreams, saying he would pursue them someday. Years passed and he grew older, realizing he had let time slip away. Basically, he realized the importance of it later, once time passed by. Now level 4 will be, a man always delayed his dreams, saying he would pursue them someday. Years passed and he grew older, realizing he had let time slip away. He learned that someday never comes unless we make it today. It is possible. This particular story is telling us the value of time. I will compile all these levels for you to make a complete story. So final, this story would be, a man always delayed his dreams, saying he would pursue them someday. Years passed and he grew older, realizing he had let time slip away. He learned that someday never comes unless we make it today. So these were 4 activities. I hope you were able to follow all these points and all these stories. And in next videos, I will try to come up with more interesting activities, more interesting and engaging activities, so that it will make your learning process fun and easier. And thank you so much for watching this video till end.